Yeah. What would you have bought?
Maybe some apples. It would be so sweet if we could stick some of the groceries underneath.
Yeah. I would get lemon bars, but I don't think it would survive the trip home.
No. Well, they might.
We definitely have to give her a bath tonight.
Oh yeah. Ew, did you see that guy washing his face?